Hi guys, assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel Isabel Cooking. And for today's vlog guys, I will make a really delicious chicken potato curry. Okay guys, so let's start. So first, we're going to pan fry this potato. It's about 3 pieces of potatoes and a cup of 3 capsicum, okay, ika-fry lang natin ito guys, parang half fry lang kasi ano yan, para lumabas lang yung aroma o kaya maluto yung potato natin, para kahit ano siya guys, yung pwedeng mag-stay even 2 days ang potato na hindi gaanong mapanis. So yun, titik out muna natin and then maglalagay ulit tayo ng second stick. Lagay lang ulit tayo ng oil and garlic and ginger. It's about 1 tablespoon of shredded garlic or minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger, shredded ginger or minced ginger. Oh yes guys, it's about 3 tablespoon of sunflower oil and a cup of chopped onions, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a teaspoon of coriander powder, and a teaspoon of curry powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Oh yes guys, a teaspoon of kashmiri red chili powder or kashmiri red chili powder, and a kilo of sliced chicken, a cup of tomato puree, guys, i-mix lang natin kasi para hindi siya masunog. Yes guys, cover the pot with a lid and bring to a boil over a high heat. So, ito nga guys. And once boiling, reduce the heat to a low and continue simmering. or until the chicken is tender. So, ito nga guys, as you can see naman, diba, parang ano na siya guys, nagda-dry na yung ating gravy. Pero still, kailangan pa natin ng siguro about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Para lang guys, yung oil niya masyadong, yung lutong-luto na. Ibig sabihin, kasi guys, pag ganitong mga curry, kailangan yung oil niya umiibabaw yun guys. It means naluto na yung kanyang masala o yung kanyang spices. Kaya kailangan talaga yung umiibabaw yung oil niya. And then, naglagay pala ako guys ng, I added a 1 cup of water. Yun lang guys, kasi dito naman guys sa Saudi, tender ay yung chicken, madali siyang palambutin. So kaya ganun nga, ang nilalagay ko lang, bali a cup of water lang bawat 1 kilo ng chicken. So yan guys, nakikita nyo yan, umiibabaw na yung oil niya. So ayan, napakasarap guys, at napakalinamnam na ng chicken na ito. Kita nyo yan. Ganyan yung guys yung pag gumagawa na ako ng curry. So, kailangan pinaibabaw ko muna yung oil sa gravy. Kasi nga guys, ano yan parang lutong-luto talaga yung chicken. So, yun nga guys. Now, i-adding na natin yung ating fried potatoes and fried green capsicum. So, ayan nga. Kailangan siguro mga 10 seconds na tatakpan ulit natin siya guys, para sigurado na yung lasa mapunta din doon sa potatoes. Yan, cover ulit natin siya ng mga 10 seconds siguro. Enough. So, yan guys, nakikita nyo ba? Ano na siya guys It's almost done. Napakasarap na ito guys. It smells so good talaga. Try nyo. Ay, napakasimple lang naman guys ng mga ingredients niya. Ganon. Kung wala naman, basta kahit curry na lang, ganon, diba? Sa atin sa Pinas. So, now, guys, maglalagay tayo ng parsley for garnish. It's about a handful of chopped parsley. O parsley or coriander leaves, guys. And a teaspoon of garam masala powder, or it's a 7 garam masala. Meron tayo guys noon yung 7 spice, tawag doon ay garam masala. guys. About piplating na natin. Ito guys. Here you go. It's yummy guys. Napakasarap niya. And then syempre guys, isi-serve natin to with naan, tandoor bread, pita bread, or parata, or patira. Napakasarap niya guys. Pwede rin sa rice. Kasi ako nga nagra-rice eh. Masarap siya guys. Pero titikman nyo rin guys yung yung test niya. Kung gusto nyo maglagay ng chicken cube, nasa sa inyo. Pero sa akin din na ako naglagay guys. Kasi napaka na niya eh. Malinamnam ng husto. Kasi hindi ako naglalagay ng maraming water sa curry. Hinahayaan ko siyang lutuin ng slow flame para masyadong kumatas yung niya, yung lasa. Masyadong lumabas yung lasa ng chicken. So ito guys, napaka yummy niya. Napaka yum. Try nyo guys, napakasarap niya. Wow. Then, lalagay ulit natin ng counting coriander leaves para maganda tingnan. Optional lang yun guys. Meron pala akong inad na 3 pieces of I'm adding a 3 pieces of green hot chilies. So yan guys. Ready na. Sarap. So okay guys, enjoy. Happy cooking. And thanks for watching. So guys, please, if you enjoyed this post, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press the bell icon to get notification every time I post a new video. Thank you guys, and stay safe. God bless. At syempre, subscribe to my channel to fill up on the latest most recipes para makakuha kayo ng recipe guys. At saka sabi ko nga sa inyo, subscription and like are big help to me. So please, subscribe. At guys, hindi ako nagsasawang magpa-thank you sa inyo. Thanks to my regular and new subscribers, silent viewers.